The 15-minute estate plan that saved a nurse's life. So she would leave Fairview Southdale Hospital at 7 a.m., sleeping 4 hours and then heading back for another shift. She did this for 20 years. 20 years of double shifts. 20 years of caring for others before even thinking of herself. I met her when she was taking care of my mother in that same hospital. And one 15-minute conversation changed everything. Because what she didn't realize was that everything she'd built, her home, her retirement, her life insurance, was one bad day away from being lost. When she walked into my office that morning, still in her scrubs, she apologized for not changing. Just got off a double shift, she said. Her estate, paid off house, a 401k, life insurance, but no document tying it all together. And like many people I meet, she said, I keep meaning to do this, just after my next shift. Now I get it. When you're saving lives, paperwork feels like it can wait. You're busy with your patients, you're taking care of people, but it can't always wait. That day, I told her, give me 15 minutes. We'll call it the 15-minute foundation. And it protected everything that mattered to her. Let's start with minutes 1 to 5. In the first 5 minutes, we did the critical 3 things. Number 1, we named her sister on her healthcare directive, not her estranged mother. We designated her daughter as the financial power of attorney, and we created a simple will, leaving everything to her daughter. 5 minutes, 3 quick steps, we're ready to go. The next 5 minutes, we call this the money trail. We reviewed her accounts and beneficiaries to make sure the right people were named on the right accounts. We updated her 401k beneficiaries, which actually still listed her ex-husband. And we logged her life insurance details, so we knew where she had life insurance and who those beneficiaries were. So now we're 10 minutes in. We've done the critical 3 documents. We've looked at the money trail and checked her accounts. Now let's look at the plan, the final 5 minutes. We shared her password manager, we filled out a My Personal Planning Essentials checklist, and we stored copies of her documents where her daughter could find them. Simple, quick, and calm. 15 minutes, and we've got her life in order. Now 6 months later, she came back to do a full plan. We added a trust, we refined some of the details, but that 15 minutes, that was the one that did the heavy lifting. 3 weeks ago, she texted me from the ICU, but she wasn't there as a nurse this time. She was there as a patient. Emergency, surgery, and there had been complications. Her daughter knew exactly what to do. She had access to everything. She paid the mortgage. She spoke to the doctors. She handled the insurance because of 15 minutes between double shifts at a hospital 3 blocks from my office. You don't need a perfect estate plan. You need one that exists. Start with 15 minutes. Protect the basics. And you can refine it later, because the most expensive plan isn't the complex one that you'll create someday. It's the simple one that you never make time for. Your family needs protection more than perfection, even if you have only 15 minutes between shifts. So if you have more questions, you can head over to my website, andrewayers.com. There's a red legal strategy session button on the page. Click that and you'll be taken to my scheduling page where we can set up a quick, complimentary legal strategy session to get your questions answered and discuss next steps for you and your family. If you like this video, please hit the like or thumbs up button below. You can head over to YouTube or AyersLawTV.com to subscribe for future episodes. And as you take that first 15 minutes, I promise you'll begin to feel what peace of mind really feels like.